that also, and that is the study about the non-violence. So this chapter includes about the topic we are going to start with is from the period of 1920. We will explain how the Congress sought to develop the national movement, how different social groups participated, and how nationalism captured the imagination of the people. In this chapter, we are also going to study about how the national movement started. How national movement started. How did we get the reaction of the people and the different section of the people. And after getting the reaction of the different section of the people, after getting the support of the different sorts of people, then how did we progress? किस तरह से हम लोग, how did we progress towards the national movement, that is removing the Britishers from our country? Because in class 8 only you had studied that Britishers had come in India as a colonialist, and since they were the colonists, we were under the colonial rule at that time. हम लोग जो है colonial rule के अंतर्गत थे, उनके अंडर, जो 16th century से लेकर आज तक till the period of 1947 उन लोगों ने हम लोगों पर राज किया. 1857 सिपाही म्यूटिनी, मंगल पांडे, सिपाही विद्रोह, वह भी एक बिगुल बजा, लेकिन that happened to be a failure. It did not get the support of the many sections of the people, and since it did not get the support of the various sections of the public, and that continuation of the topic is that there was absolute political unrest in the country. We were under the rule of the Britishers, and since we were under the rule of Britishers, the integration of the country that was not maintained, and since the integrity of the country was not there, so what happened? There was an upheaval, there was an uprisal within the people, that anyhow or the other we have to finish off with the Britishers who are there in the country. The very first thing which Gandhiji, after coming into the scene of political arena, what did he do? First of all, during the period of 1920, and just before that, the country was facing the World War at that time. The entire country was disturbed at that time, 1914 to 1919 period. What happened? First of all, the war created a new economic and political situation. It led to a huge increase in the defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans, and increasing taxes, custom duties were raised, and income tax was introduced. Britishers were there in India. The World War was going on. Britain on the other side, and the other countries on the other side. Whatever the Britishers were having, चाहे वो टैक्स के रूप में, चाहे वो वॉर के एक्सपेंडिचर के रूप में, या आर्मी का देखभाल करने के लिए, या अपना मेंटेनेंस करने के लिए, हर एक तरह का सुख सुविधाओं का चीज जो है, these Britishers they took as much from the country that is India. They basically drained away the wealth. हमारे देश का wealth जो है, during that period, they took away as much of their resources from our country. And soon after the war, everybody knows it, कि किसी भी देश की स्थिति और भी बद से बदतर होते चला गया. And that was the case with India also. Whatever the things were required by the Britishers, everybody was taken up. Everything was taken by the Britishers. Through the war, prices increased, doubling between 1913 to 1918. During the time of the war, the price that increased 2 times. A, during the time of the war, what do we find? We find that the price of the commodity of each and everything that went on rising and rising. It increased double the cost. The cost went on increasing. Villages were called upon to supply soldiers, and the forced recruitment in rural areas caused widespread. There. Remove that mask now. And then, just after that, Mahatma Gandhi also entered into the scene. And after the सीधा कर देना है तुमको. Who is making that noise? You want to study or not? Remove that. Yes. Coming to the topic of the idea of Satyagraha.
चार की उठा वो दे चलो बस तू चार में से दो सो यहाँ
Experienced. It was Mahatma Gandhi who had experienced the apartheid movement which was going on in South Africa at that time, in 1885. So Mahatma Gandhi had the experience, and he had taken part in the movement of apartheidism which went on in South Africa. After his coming back from South Africa to India, people were only knowing his name, but nobody had seen him. People were aware about the name of Gandhi, but they did not have any figure regarding who this Gandhi was. The very first thing which you have to study is the idea of Satyagraha, the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi. What did Gandhiji teach about? The very first thing. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1915. It was Gandhi who came to India in January 1915 during the time of the First World War, 1914 to 1919, when the entire world was facing the crisis and was undergoing the First World War. So that time it was Mahatma Gandhi. After coming back from South Africa, he came to India in the year 1915. He had come from South Africa where he had successfully fought against the racist regime. बड़ा सक्सेसफुली वहां पर जो है उन्होंने आंदोलन किया भी, वहां के लोगों को अपना समर्थन दिया था, एंड दैट वाज सक्सेस ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ महात्मा गांधी कि महात्मा गांधी वन द नेम एंड फेम. महात्मा गांधी का नाम उजागर हुआ एंड एवरीबडी केम टू नो अबाउट महात्मा गांधी. देयर द फाइट वाज अगेंस्ट अपार्थाइड, फाइट वाज अगेंस्ट रेसिज्म. रेसिज्म मींस व्हाइट्स एंड ब्लैक्स. व्हाइट्स एंड ब्लैक्स के बीच में जो जंग चल रहा था, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन, ब्लैक्स एंड व्हाइट्स, जो क्लास 9 में आप लोग पढ़े थे, उसी को लेकर जो है ये लड़ाई हो रही थी. सो ही हैड कम फ्रॉम देयर इन इंडिया एंड रिटर्न टू इंडिया इन 1915, वेयर he very first thing gave his opinion that to fight against any sort of an enemy, one has to follow the path of Satyagraha, that is the principle of non-violence. It was Mahatma Gandhi's principle of Satyagraha that he incorporated within the people, that in order to rebel, in order to revolt, one does not have to return back the slap to him, one has to fight with the principle of सत्याग्रह. सत्याग्रह के उसूल पर चलने के लिए उन्होंने आह्वान किया, made an appeal to the people to fight against the evil, to fight against the people, to fight against the enemy. One has to go with the principle of satyagraha. What is this satyagraha? It's an important thing. The idea of satyagraha emphasizes the power of truth and the need to search for truth. What is this satyagraha? Satyagraha, power of truth and need to start the See, you are not making fun of me. जितना दर्द हम ले रहे हैं पढ़ाने का, जल्दी निकालने का, क्या ये कंप्लीट करना है? If you are telling, then I will just read it. So, regarding the idea of satyagraha, Mahatma Gandhi talked about and relied upon the principle of what is truth and what is the search for the truth. You have to understand this. It suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight against the oppression. उनका ये सिद्धांत था, if the cause was true, अगर कारण आपका सही है, and if the fight is for injustice, if the cause was true, and if it is for injustice, if the cause is true, कारण अगर सही हो अन्याय के विरुद्ध, then truth will prevail. उनका यह मानना कि अगर आपके द्वारा किया गया कर्म अगर सही है, true, और किसी अन्याय के विरुद्ध, if you are doing something against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight for injustice. तब वो कहते, तब आपके द्वारा फिजिकल फोर्स का होना बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं. कोई मुझे मारा बिना किसी वजह, without any cause, then according to the principle of Mahatma Gandhi, that is the ideology of satyagraha, he says, he means to tell to us कि if the cause is true and it is for अन्याय, then from my side, मेरे तरफ से फिजिकल फोर्स होना जरूरी नहीं है. उस व्यक्ति को अपने आप पापी होना, उस व्यक्ति को अपने आप कहीं ना कहीं किसी रूप में उसको सजा मिलेगी. See, this was the principle of Mahatma Gandhi, talking about the non-violence. He says that if the cause is true and if it is meant for the injustice, then physical force is not necessary to agitate the oppression. Oppression मतलब जो हमारे ऊपर अन्याय कर रहा है, उस अन्याय करने वाले को अपने आप सजा मिल जाएगा किसी भी रूप में. उनका ये कहना, उनका यह सिद्धांत, एक मारे तो दूसरा भी डाल दो आगे, लेकिन तुम जो है मत करो. That was the principle. So he is talking about the satyagraha. He suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppression. अन्याय करने वालों पर फिजिकल फोर्स का जरूरत नहीं, उसको सजा अपने आप किसी न किसी रूप में, किसी अन्य तरीके से उसको मिल जाए. That can be the thing. Without seeking vengeance, शब्द है vengeance. Vengeance का मतलब होता है revenge. Revenge का मतलब बदला. Without seeking vengeance or being aggressive, a satyagrahi could win the battle through non-violence. बिना बदला लिए, बिना एग्रेसिव हुए, एग्रेसिव का मतलब देह चौड़ा कर रहा है, दैट इज बिकमिंग एग्रेसिव. तो बिना देह चौड़ा किए, बिना बदला लिए, ये सत्याग्रही कैन विन द बैटल. उनका यह प्रिंसिपल लघुभी तौर से सिर्फ थ्योरी नहीं है, प्रैक्टिकल में भी अनुभव किया, एंड इट बिकेम एन आइडियोलॉजी. कहीं न कहीं इसकी वास्तविकता सत्यता जरूर है. लेकिन अब के समावेश में हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, वो पेशेंस नाम का चीज नहीं. तुम तो हम दे बेटा रिटर्न तुरंत. Nothing there, everything on the spot. No FIR, postmortem on the spot. Which is against the principle of Satyagraha. He talked what? Let us wait. The Satyagrahi is going to win the battle. If the fight is for truth, if the fight is for injustice, let us wait. He will get the punishment. That is the basic principle behind the truth, which Mahatma Gandhi is talking about. He says, this could be done by appealing to the conscience of the operator. उनका यह मानना था कि this could be done by appealing the conscience. Conscience मतलब अंदर की आत्मा का झकझोर. यह बात बिल्कुल सत्य है. अगर आपको भी एंगर अगर आता है, you just count up to 12. Probably the gravity of that anger 12 गिनने के पहले तक का जो ग्रेविटी है और 11-12 जब आप गिर रहे हैं तो वो ग्रेविटी को देखे तो एंगर अपने आप. This is a patience. So he also means that. So this can be done by appealing to the conscience of the operation. अगर आप इस तरह का बर्ताव करते हो, यानी following the path of the satyagraha, your cause is true, you are not disturbing him, but he will get the punishment. So that will appeal to the oppressor. उनका यह कहना है कि कहीं न कहीं वो उस व्यक्ति के मन में भी कहीं न कहीं दिल है, आत्मा है, हर एक चीज उसके दिल को टच करेगा, उस चीज को झकझोरेगा कि नहीं यार ये लड़का गलत नहीं था, हम मारे जा रहे हैं, वो मार खाए जा रहे हैं, कहीं न कहीं उसके मन को टटोलेगा. एंड दैट टटोलना, दैट ब्रिंगिंग अबाउट अ चेंज इन द कंसेंस, दैट में ब्रिंग अबाउट अ चेंज इन द ऑपरेशन. ही मीन्स दैट. महात्मा गांधी मीन्स दैट. ही मीन्स दैट नो, डोंट गिव हिम अ ब्लो. उसे मत मारो, रिसीव द ब्लो. अपना चेहरा बर्बाद करवा दो, लेकिन तुम नहीं बर्बाद. Probably the conscience may appeal to the operator and that will bring a change in it. That is the principle of Satyagraha which he wishes to talk about. This could be done by appealing to the conscience of the operator. People, including the operator, had to be persuaded to see the truth instead of being forced to accept truth through the use of violence. उनका यह भी कहना है कि जब उनके कंसेंस अपील करेगा, when the conscience will appeal at that time, he will look for the truth. The operator will go for the truth, and somewhere or the other he will find the truth. उनका ये कहना है कि वो कंसेंस जो अपील करेगा उन्हें, the conscience will every time try to find what is the truth, and that particular truth will bring a change in this operation. That truth will bring about a change in the operation. That is the relevancy. That is the basic thing behind it. By this struggle, इसी struggle के तहत, by this struggle, truth was born to ultimately triumph. और अगर ऐसा ही struggle होता है, तो जीत किसकी होगी? Triumph. तो जीत जो है हमेशा सत्य का होगा. That is the principle of Satyagraha. Right. Right. Right in wherever. Yes. Was the idea of Satyagraha. See, this chapter very important. 11 marks are there. 2 marks map, 2 marks objective, 4 नंबर उधर, 8 नंबर लिखने वाला. What according to Mahatma Gandhi was the idea of Satyagraha? What according to Mahatma Gandhi was the idea of Satyagraha? Gandhiji, right answer. Gandhiji expressed his early views. Gandhiji expressed his early views in his book. His early views in his book His early views in his book Hind Swaraj, इनके द्वारा लिखित किताब का नाम है हिंद स्वराज, हिंद स्वराज, which he penned down, which he penned down, which he penned down in 1909. In 1909, and these views were expressed in an imaginary dialogue. And these views were expressed in an imaginary dialogue. Were expressed in an imaginary dialogue. Full stop. Gandhiji laid much emphasis. Gandhiji laid much emphasis. Gandhiji laid much emphasis on non-violence. Non-violence, comma, truth. Non-violence, comma, truth and purity of mind. ये तीन चीज पर हमेशा स्तब्ध रहा महात्मा गांधी. Non-violence, truth and purity of mind. मन को शुद्ध रखना, साफ रखना, and purity of mind. Full stop. The literal meaning of satyagrah. The literal meaning of satyagrah. The literal meaning of satyagrah is to remain. Is to remain determinedly. Is to remain determinedly stuck. Determinedly stuck to the path. Determinedly stuck to the path. Determinedly stuck to the path. Stuck to the path of truth. Stuck to the path of truth. Full stop. Accordingly, dot. What is the fun there? Only because of you all people, those who don't study also, I will thrash you, okay? The four of you I am seeing there. Accordingly, comma, dot. Satyagrah is the principle of. Satyagrah is the principle of. Satyagrah is the principle of spiritualism. Satyagrah is the principle of spiritualism. Spiritualism based on the love for mankind. Based on the love for mankind. Based on the love. Right now. Based on the love for mankind. Full stop. It considers truth as supreme in life. It considers truth supreme in life. And also inspired that if the cause was true, and also inspired that if the cause was true, and if the struggle was against injustice, then then physical force was not necessary. Then physical force was not necessary. Then physical force was not necessary for being aggressive. Physical force was not necessary for being aggressive. Second point, it enhances, एक लाइन छोड़ के, it enhances, second, it enhances EN, the power of truth. It enhances the power of truth and the search. It enhances the power of truth and the search for truth. And the search for truth. Next point, एक लाइन छोड़ के. Is Satyagrahi could win the battle through? Is Satyagrahi could win the battle? ये तुरंत अभी पढ़ाए हैं, उसी को दिखा रहे हैं. Is Satyagrahi could win the battle through? Is Satyagrahi could win the battle through non-violence? Through non-violence, without seeking vengeance. Without seeking vengeance, revenge जिसको बोलते हैं, without seeking vengeance, or being aggressive, एक लाइन छोड़ के, this can be achieved by appealing. This can be achieved by appealing to the conscience. This can be achieved by appealing to the conscience. Conscience मतलब आत्मा अंदर. Can be appealing to the conscience of the operation. OPP. Appealing to the conscience of the operation. Full stop. एक लाइन छोड़ के, the true Satyagrahi is fearless. The true Satyagrahi is fearless and courageous. Fearless and courageous, and also follow his chosen path. And also follow his chosen path fearlessly. So, idea of Satyagraha हमने पढ़ा. Idea of Satyagraha, your answer must be stuck towards what is truth. What does that truth do? What is the magic of that truth that will bring a change within the conscience of the aggressor? And with the support of that truth, the oppressor will lose the battle, and जो पीड़ित है, जिसको पीड़िता बोलते हैं, he will win the battle. That is the true meaning according to the definition of true meaning about Satyagraha. Read that what you have written. Yes. Let me see, you can read properly.
Answer to question, sir.
Nah.
Gandhiji expressed his early view in his book in Swaraj, which he penned down in 1909, and the view were expressed in an
कहीं कॉमा फुल स्टॉप कुछ इस तरह से पढ़ना है कि सुनने वाला समझ ले कि क्या सुनाया जा रहा है. इन द अर्ली डेज क्या है, फुल स्टॉप के बाद 1909 के बाद,
and the view
हाँ उसके बाद
and the view were expressed in an imaginary dialogue. Gandhiji led.
Yes, रुकिए. And his views were expressed in imaginary dialogue. What is this imaginary dialogue? काल्पनिक डायलॉग है. जो महात्मा गांधी के मन में वो इमेजिनरी डायलॉग आया, वो कौन सा डायलॉग है? सत्य सत्य के बारे में क्या है वो? पढ़िए.
Gandhiji led much emphasis on non-violence, truth and purity of mind.
Yes. The very first thing, Gandhiji laid emphasis on the truth, non-violence and the purity of the mind. ये तीन चीज पर अमल रहे वो हमेशा. Next.
The literal meaning of Satyagraha is to remain determining struck to the path of truth.
Yes. The literal meaning of Satyagraha is determinedly stuck to the path of truth. क्या बताएं?
नहीं सर. According ...
वहां तक पहुंच गए तुरंत.
According ... Satyagraha is the principle of
बैठ जाओ. Accordingly, yes.
Satyagraha is the principle of the spiritualism based on the love of mankind. It considered to supreme in life and also inspired that if the house will do and if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary for being aggressive.
Yes. So we are stopping till here, and we have seen that we have done what the idea of Satyagraha was meant by Mahatma Gandhi. Next, we'll move on with one of the most hideous act, that was the Rowlatt Act. सर रॉलट के द्वारा यह पारित किया गया था, रॉलट एक्ट, जिसके अंतर्गत देयर वाज नो एनी टाइप ऑफ ए ट्रायल. किसी को जो है कचहरी जाने से, ट्रायल फेस करने से मना कर दिया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने हम लोगों को. तो वी विल सी व्हाट इज दिस रॉलट एक्ट आल्सो. रॉलट एक्ट ऑफ 1919. So we are stopping here and we will move on. I am telling you once again, it is a very important topic, national movement in India. Please do take my class. मैं जान के ये क्लास जरूर लेता हूँ क्योंकि हमको पता है कि I have prepared some of the good material in this, keeping in touch with +2 books also, such that you can get very good marks in that. Out of 11 to 12 marks, see, basically you are getting 2 marks in math, then again 2 marks in objective question, and then again 8 marks in subjective. Either it can be 5-3, either it can be 4 or something like that. So 11 to 12 marks you are going to get in this chapter. So don't, it's a very good topic. खाली समझना काफी है बस, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है. नॉन कॉपरेशन है, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट है, भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन, क्विट इंडिया 3, और उसके बाद लास्ट में कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ये 4 चीज पढ़ना है. वी आर स्टॉपिंग हियर. यस, डोंट